Uh, Welcome, guys. So today you're going to learn how to add a new node in our linked list. So supposing we have this linked list here, 20 pointing to 30, then 30 pointing to null. Of course, we know that in a linked list we have two things. We have the data. We have a node. In a linked list, we have a node which has data and the link to the next node. So which means you can access data from here. And in this case here, you don't have to access anything because it's pointing to null. So I'm showing you using this diagram here. So our original list is this. This is our original list, linked list 20 and 30. So in this case, we want to add a node at the beginning of this linked list. So we want to add our 40 so that it is somewhere here at the beginning, like that. So that means the dot next of 40 will point to 20, and then after that we make this 40 our new head. We make this our new head. So the head, we shall then say head is equals to the new node, which is 40. So in that case, this becomes our first node. So 40 dot then 20 and then 30 and then finally null. So this is so simple using the code. So as I said before, a linked list has you need to have two things: the linked list, the value, and the link to the next node. So this class here is used to create a node. So when you call this class, you pass data, so that the data will be assigned to value, and the link to the next node shall be, in this case here, will be null because I have not yet linked this node to anything. So, and then after that, we also create a class called linked list. So the class has here a constructor. So every time you call this constructor head shall be null. The value of head is nothing. So, and then we have this method. The next method here shall need to pass yourself so that you can access the value of head. So we check if self.head, if this is null, this note here is used to check if this is false or null. So if this is false or null, it means doesn't have anything. So our new node, this one here, which we created using this upper class here. So if we create this, it means, for instance, we pass here 40. So this value will have 40, but next will have none. So this is our new node. So if this head is none, then just assign it to this new node. So make the new node head. Else, so this means the head has some data. That means the next of our new node will point to head. As per this diagram, the next of this point to head. The next of the new node point to head. Next of new node point to head. And then make our new node head. So this head becomes the new node. Like now, then our head becomes the new node. So this is the case. So now our head is here. So when you start at this head. When you start like printing or iterating this linked list, you will start at head. So in this case, you've inserted, just using these two lines, you've inserted the new node at the beginning of the linked list. So in the subsequent videos, I will show you how to do that. Maybe adding at the beginning, at the end of the linked list, and also printing the values in this linked list. So let us do this. Fix these errors here. Supposed to be, because this is a property of the class, so we need to access it using self. So self, yeah, this is also self. That's okay. So I'll walk you through again this class in the next video. Thank you and subscribe to this channel.